All right, we are live. Yo, boys. Hello, fellow traders. What is going on, guys? Happy to see y'all here. And yeah, we are live. We're live and running. Let's go. All right, let's get it started, boys. We have 7 minutes. We have 7 minutes till market open. And so we're gonna run at in 2 minutes. We're gonna start the plan. We're just gonna wait till some people start showing up. I like today's idea, honestly. 800s literally retested the 800s. Wow. Wow, look at that. Yesterday, what did we talk about? 880s right there. That was perfect right there. 880s. Went through the 70s, 880s straight up there. Love to see it. Love to see it. Who's in the chat? And can y'all tell me the quality of the stream? Is it lagging? Is it not? How's it going? How is it, boys? How is it, everybody? How is everyone doing? Hope y'all having a great day. Gonna have that area up there. 884s, literally 880s. Called it out yesterday. That was sick. How is it, everyone? Who's in the chat? How is it? Is it lagging? Is the stream lagging? I hope not. I hope not. So let's go. Let's wait for some people to come in. Let's see. I'm kind of looking on the long side, and I will explain in a second why am I looking at the long side. Who's in the chat, boys? Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, or good afternoon from wherever you are. Greetings. Let's get the day and party started. I'm gonna mute my phone. Is Sarif in the chat? Who else is in the chat? Type hello. We're ready to start a party. Party, drink McCarty. Alright. So I think we can start. Safe to say we can start the party. I'm sorry to whoever is not here yet for the plan. The plan is as simple. We tested the 800s and we look like we want to push up there, maybe even the high. Yesterday, the overnight high, yesterday's high, and the high of Friday right there. So basically we have resistance 880s basically. So 884's resistance. We look something that we did something like this. If we could do something like this, then I would definitely look at the long side. As you can see, we are pushing, and I'm looking to get on the long side because the ES is also pushing, but it just needs a little bit more strength. As for my plan, this looks quite bullish. So even on the daily chart looks bullish. Hourly chart looks like it had a pullback. If we can get above the 840s, then we can look for longs possibly. And we need to see a good price action setup. We need to see that the buyers are starting to push this. So I'm more focused on the long side again today. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna look for longs, and as you guys heard, we are doing a challenge. We're doing a challenge where I will be training on this Apex eval that I have. I have one Apex eval that I had left yesterday. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna trade it very small risk, and we're gonna trade it as if I were to trade my funded accounts. We're not gonna full port it, and we're gonna see how long does it take for us to make $3,000 and actually pass the eval. We're gonna see this in today's challenge. So risking about 3%, 3.5% per trade, aiming to make 35 points. So I'm risking between 20 to 15 points to make 35 points. So that's the plan we got today. There is 44 seconds left. Hello, Angel. Hey, welcome to the stream. Welcome, welcome. I hope sit tight and enjoy the ride. We are gonna have I hope we're gonna have a wild day. I honestly hope that we're gonna have a wild day. So as you can see, my eval right there, we have a $50,000 eval, and we're gonna trade just two little micros here. I'm gonna risk like 20 points to make like 30. So with that in mind, we're gonna take the trades that only benefit us. So let's see, 8 seconds till market open. We know the plan. I'm looking for a push. So yeah, let's see. Market's open. Let's go. Look at that. Push. Look, that's the push. That was literally the push. What the shit? Let it do its thing for a bit. No rush. We have an entire day. Market just opened. ES got stuck. ES literally got stuck. See how much we can make on this account. If I can grab like a long would be great. Unless it's just, if this keeps going down like that, I don't know if it's a good place to long. It was a good place to long about here, but now it's not anymore. Let's see. Let it do what it needs to do. We're gonna have the risk in place, so we're risking approximately 4 times 20, $80 on each trade. On this trade that I will take, if I will take a trade, I'm gonna risk about $80, which is, if we count, let's see, out of $2,500, yeah, it's about 3.2%, the risk, that is. I want to see what's up with the ES. What's up with this? We retested the view up on the 1 minute chart, 2 minute chart as well. Hope we don't get stuck there. Looking for that high of day push. High of day push up there into the 82s. We just need to get going. Just needs to get going up there. We have the risk set in place, so if we lose only 80. But yeah, I really want to see this start to push. Right now, just chopping. Can't get above that. If we need to get above that 60 level, overall 56. We keep getting stuck there. Two-minute chart looking great. I think I'm a bit too early to that trade. Now we push. Possibly gonna move my stop to the 33s. That way, if it returns under that area, if we dump towards under the 33s, then it's no bueno for us. But I'm just gonna be patient here. Looking great, but can we do that full 80, 35 points? I'm not sure. Might get stopped out. This is such a chop. I think this is chop city here. ES still stuck under the view up. We just cannot keep going. Yeah, I might get stopped out. Yeah, stopped out. There you go. $60 loss right off the bat. Sucks. Onward we go. Yeah, see? Like I said, stop loss has its purpose, boys. You just need to wait, you know. This looks good for a push again. Do I take it? I mean, let me see what the ES is doing. I'm keeping an eye on the ES here. ES has a good moment to push, but gonna try it again. These are wicks. I don't like it. We just cannot get above that level. Maybe I should stop insisting. Pee. Definitely to stop insisting. We just cannot get above that 55 level there. I'm just gonna set my stop here. I don't want to lose more than that. I just want to keep it tight there. If we could just go through there. Yes, it's pushing again, but shit. Is this the push? It wants to. Getting tight, but How do we lock it in there? I don't like the fact that we're near the all-time highs. Bro, this trade, bro, this takes so much time. Such a boring trade. I don't know if we have news. I'm gonna watch, see if we have news. Nah, not too many news. Yeah, just, you know, we'll keep holding the view up there, which is good, but also on the same time is like, this is crazy. Look at it. Just look at it. Keeps me in literally in drawdown. The more we chop like this, the more worried I get. So yeah, oh my days. You know, I take 2 stop outs, it's fine. What the hell? This was so close to stop me out. Might do it, but yeah. Did it again. So we're down about $112 right now. I'm okay with that. And we got one more trade to take, but now I'm gonna just sit back and wait. I'm just gonna sit back and wait. The ES just could not get above the view up. This is spooky. This is very, very spooky. Two-minute chart, 3-minute chart, 2 stop outs in a row. $50 each. Yeah, all losing trades here. 3 minutes. Oh my days. This seemed more than 3 minutes. Holy shit. How's everyone doing, by the way, in the chat? Who's in the chat right now? Is Sarif in the chat? Angel is in the chat. I think it's just her today. No worries. Yeah, see, if we could not push up there, you know, we took that stop, but yeah. Yeah, we got a tiny little gap to fill though. Look at this, bro. Look at this. Look at this. If we turn bearish, I can just adapt. Like we spoke about yesterday, you adapt and then you take the setup. This is a place where we kept holding, so persistent. I'm just gonna wait for a setup. Let's actually walk through, like relax, and walk through the setups. Let's see. Okay, so we're here now, yeah? Okay. So if I want to get short, what do I want to see happen? I want the ES to start dumping harder towards that 500 area right here, 6,500. And then I obviously want to see some bearish action. I want to see this. Hold up, this is the 15-minute chart. We're gonna mark out the range. The range of this bad boy right here. Well, I'm gonna just use white lines. So this is the 15-minute range, right? This is the 15-minute range. And in 32 seconds, we're gonna open up here, and we just need to wait. It's very simple. If we get below the 815s, I'm inclined to get short to maybe a place lower than that. Like I'm inclined to get short down there, 90s, 80s or lower, you know. But if we get above the 58s, I'm inclined to get long for a push up there into 54s. Like I want a little push, a retest into the 58s, and then I want this to go. But until now, obviously the 58s are out there. Oh, now it's starting to push. Stopped everyone out, literally faked out. Everyone who tried to get short here got squeezed. Everyone who tried getting long here got dumped on. Classic manipulation. Very classic manipulation, people. Oh, my days. And now I just want to see this thing here do something. Don't look at these lines. Look at these white lines. These lines. This is where we need to see something happen. The ES is holding down. I do not understand how this can push, but let's just see what happens. Just gonna look at my phone, maybe play a game in the meantime, like Marvel Contest of Champions. I don't even know, bro. This is literally literally a waiting game, and right now I got nothing better to do than just to wait. Just wait. Cost you nothing. Trying to put trades where nothing is happening. I mean, these are literally two red trades. This is insane. How's everyone doing, by the way, in the chat? How was your weekend? How's everyone doing? This is boring. Compared to the excitement we had yesterday, like, this is boring. Like, I mean, on the daily chart right now, there is a decent, I'm not gonna lie, there is a decent amount of, it's straight up type of action. So, for a small pullback, I mean, I wouldn't be in decline of this idea, but as you can see now, we start to like almost push the ES, boys. The ES is very important. We need to get above this view up area. If the ES cannot get through, we can't do shit. If the ES keeps getting stuck, can't do shit either way. Let me assess my risk to reward right now. I have I'm down $112. Meaning, out of 2,500, I risked 4.5%. literally 4.5%. Yeah, 4.5. Yeah. This might be as well a good time to wait and sit out. I took 2 trades here. Absolutely dog water. Took a full stop here, full stop here. I want to see some action. Then I will probably put on some, you know, put on my big boy gloves and start getting to work here with some solid trades. If we can catch a fire trade that puts us in the green, I'll be happy with that. That's what I'm trying to see right now. Trying to see where I can make some money. Get down, get below that 815 area we bounced. And I'll look for a short. Oh my days. Oh my days. Such an uneventful day. Otherwise it is what it is. I'll take my scratch red trade and I'll just let me check the news again. At 4 o'clock, like in 10 minutes, we got US quarterly employment and wages, Q1. Okay. Alright, we seem to be doing something here. Got stuck up there, couldn't get through. ES could also could not get through. ES keeps holding Nasdaq down. Fuck ES. Let us go through. Let the bulls come in, but obviously on the cumulative delta right now, the sellers, oh, the sellers are, they're pushing, but there's nothing happening. Get squeezed here, and there's no buyers either stepping in. So try to push it here, didn't work. Okay, is this possibly it? Can this possibly be it? Can this possibly be it? Finally, something happening. Yes, good. Oh, thank you. Something happened. Okay, so seems like we're switching sides from bulls to bears. From bulls to bears. We keep okay, I guess it's switching sides time. Fair enough. Right, we go down there 800s possibly now. So that would be great. I'm gonna let it do its thing here. Might take a trade, however, I cannot show it until after I take it. I want to see how far can we actually pull back on this thing. think this has the possibility to dump. I'm in this tiny trade here. Just gonna be patient. I think this has a good chance to like go through there, down there into the 800s. We gotta become very aggressive though. We need some sellers. Sellers look in control 100%. Very good. ES is dumping. That's a good sign. I'm gonna move my stop right there at the 21s. We get above the 21s, no bueno. And just now we're gonna just let it ride. There's 800s down there. We need to clear off the area, just like straight through it. Need to wash. Need to like wash straight through there with strength. We need to go. This is the last trade of today, by the way. I'm closing this. I'm closing my broker if this doesn't go well. Right there, beautiful. We get down there to the 95s. Move my stop to break even. Get down there below 97s at least. Gonna move my stop to break even. That 800 area is literally top support. I really don't want this to. Actually, never mind. I'll take the stop out if this goes against me. I'll take the stop out. Really, from that 800 area, still finding support. Just a little bit. Sick. Stopped out again. We're down literally $150. I mean, yeah, this is pretty much it. Yeah, this is look at that 800 area serving as perfect bounce support. Didn't even hesitate to bounce off of there. Sucks. Yeah, I think we're done for today. This is an ass cheek day. Let's just consider it that. Wow, this is disgusting. This is disgusting. As disgusting as I thought it could be. Look at that. You went there, yeah. Oof. See, that's why you got a stop loss, to keep you safe from that. To keep you safe from all this. Now let me check a little bit the charts to possibly another opportunity, but I said I'm done, so I'll just close the day off with this. Yeah, right now I'm itching to take a short from this area, but I do not trust this because look what we did. We ripped through there. I really don't. I don't trust it. Right now it's just me wanting to take another trade to make some money, but the truth is when there's no opportunity, you should not take a trade. Respect your psychology, respect your rules and you'll be fine, but right now, yeah, look at that. Now it goes, but how could you have known? ES ES is an animal. ES is an absolute animal. Ugh. Let me see my performance. Literally just losing trades. Largest losing trades. Yeah, $55 plus the trade fees and commissions. Yeah, it's not that much. Look at this. What on earth? What the fuck? What? What is this? Yeah, it's news. US quarterly employment. Oh, this is disgusting. Oh my days. This is horrible. Horrible, horrible. Is the stream working? People, is the stream working, guys? You guys in the chat, please tell me if the stream is working. I need to know. Stream working or not? Oof. I'm gonna take out those lines. Keep the line only. I'm gonna take off those lines. There's too many lines on my chart. I hate this. I'm gonna move on to the clear charts. Bruh, this is so bad. Oh, oh! Look at that 800 getting cracked. I think now something's gonna happen. Look at. I think there was so much. There was probably so much liquidity down there. Uh, I'm itching to take a trade right now. Yeah, I'm literally. I want to see how this goes, honestly. Making new lows on the day here. If this stops me out again, I'm genuinely leaving. Because this doesn't seem to be it doesn't seem to be a trustworthy day, so to speak. We have this yeah, see? Look at that. Look at that. Beautiful. I'm gonna move my stop to break even because I don't want to take another stop out, but stop is at break even. So let's just let it do its thing. Just keep it dumping there, brother. Keep it dumping. Keep it dumping. Thank you. Oh my lord, what is this? What is this price action? Might add into this. I mean, a target would be down there into the 63s, but stop to break even. Oh my lord. Okay. What a little ass. What an ass wipe. Let's see if we actually get primed for a decent pullback before we get the bigger dump here. Because here's what's happening. Here's what's happening. Look on the 2-minute chart. We bounced. I mean, we took this low from here, took this low from the 80s. Now where are we on the hourly chart? Hourly chart. This engulfing bullish candle, dude. This does not look at that. Look at that, dude. Served the ES had support straight into the 500s. Found its twin brother there. I mean, it's decent. Our best day is decent, but look at that. That could have been a good short. Could have been a wonderful one, actually. I'm just curious to see what this. Oh my god, dude. This is so bad. Brutal. That would have been another stop out. Yeah, Angel, I'm seeing that cat in the box. Yeah. It's time to hide. That's right. It's time to go and hide. Ugh. Let's see how many trades am I on for today? Break even trades and mostly losing trades. Yeah, so I mean for today, let's see how low we kept our risk. Let's just see. How low did we keep our risk from 2500 times 5%? 6% we risked. Today we risked 6%. Considering we had 3% per trade, about 3% per trade, I mean that is crazy good. Let me check the ES real quick. Wow, this is so bad. This is like complete ass cheeks. Changing some charts here. I'm changing some charts. I'm not fiddling around because my charts are literally broken. What's up with this here? Yes, it's time. The cat in the box. It's time to hide. Yeah, so funny. My charts are broken. Oh. ES starts to push back from this support here. Found support in the 502s. We're finally going. Nasdaq pushing. Push, 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 push. Push, 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 push. Do, 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 do. There's so much volume here. So much holding us down. What was the resistance again on the hourly, on the minute time frame here? 857s. Yet to pass. Yo, dude. What the frick is this? Oh, now it's going, of course. Of course. Of course. Of course. Look at that. Straight up there. Ho, 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 ho. My charts are working so bad right now. Straight up there. Why did we rip? I want to try to understand this. Why did we go up? I mean, there's a lot of stuff that you can take down here, but okay. Now we kind of look like we're gonna push. The hourly chart seems more logical to push now, except that I need a tiny little bull flag here. I mean, there it is. There's a push. I want to see this pulling back. Oh my days. Oh, yes. Can you confirm that we're gonna push? Yes. It's confirming it. Let's see how this candle closes. Or what are we like gonna do? Now we're flipping bullish. From bearish to bullish. That's crazy chop. Let's see. How do we close on this candle? Maybe we get another candle like on the VWAP, and from there we start pushing. Come on. We're holding at that EMA. That's a good thing. All the way down there into the EMA. Maybe we go 30s. 30s is the view up at. Gonna put an order. No. 30s. '30s. Go down there into the VWAP. This could be a very bad decision that I'm taking another trade like this, but right now I would love to see this. Look at that 30 level. Oh no way, dude. This is brutal. This is absolutely brutal. Almost stopped out. Holy smokers. Oh, this is so bad. I'm absolutely getting destroyed right now. Phew, I am down like so much. Can I see the ES? The 50-minute chart does not look good. Neither of this looks good. So I'm just gonna set my stop here. And then let it go fuck itself. In a normal world this would go. But there's like no trend whatsoever. Yeah, it just fucks all. Yeah, it just fucks us all. Great. I'm out for this day. Otherwise I'm gonna become upset and I'm gonna start doing stupid stuff. Yeah, I'm done. I should have kept my loss very small, but at the end it's still a tiny little account. It's not a funded account, that's all that matters. But fuck me, man. This is so bad. This is just so bad. What is this gonna do? I'm curious. do the range on the hourly chart. Can I see what the ES is actually doing right now? ES is not holding well. No trades, by the way. This is so bad. This is the worst day I've possibly seen in a while. Yesterday was good. I mean, yesterday was good. So now we're just chopping. Might have to take on the longer time frames. Look on the longer time frames a little bit more. How we close on this 2-minute candle will tell us how we will end up. How we will go. If we don't close well, we're in trouble. Alright, I am so done. So we're locking in. So for today, we're ending with down $288 on the fucking account. Ooh, we're gonna have to see how much that risk was. Minus, let's see. Let me see. How much was that? 10% risk? Yeah, we risked more than that. We're 10% risk already. Went way over my target. I just, yeah, holy. Good thing. I just need to keep practicing this. I really need to keep practicing. Which is great that I have this account. Otherwise, I would be absolutely fucked. Let me see my performance. Down $288 on the EVAL account. That's scary. Yeah, Angel. Scary as shit. But okay, from 10% you can recover, but don't let it go more. Let me see. Here on the 5-minute chart. 5-minute chart looks right in the middle of this range. So we got, look at this. This is a straight shithole. Straight in the middle, right there, like right there in the middle. It's crazy. Like, you don't know where this is gonna go. This can go either way, and at the end of the day, it might even chop some longer. And by the time it goes somewhere, you lose your account, etc. It's important not to lose your account, but always keep the fucking losses small, because $288. Ooh, that is a decent amount. That's like a decent amount to lose on one account. So I definitely need more practice. So I'm gonna leave it there. I'm gonna shut down my broker. How many trades did I take? 6 trades. 3 over. This is where it brought me. Good lesson to learn from today, boys. Good lesson. Good lesson. Let's just shut everything down. And let me see. I'm gonna leave on the stream for a little longer. 5 minutes. And I'm gonna go recenter myself. Get myself ready for tomorrow. What has been, doesn't matter anymore. Let me just bring up YouTube for you guys. There's no news, by the way, so I mean, yeah, it's expected to be this boring, right? I mean, this can go like this for the rest of the day even. How do you know? Like, look at the delta. No sellers, no buyers, no sellers, no buyers. Oh, lordy lord. Yes. Yes, as bearish as you can get. Don't get short, don't get long, your account will be safe. Just today is the murder of an account. Today is the day where you kill an account. It's not where you make an account, you kill the account. So that's why we're gonna leave it at where it is right now. Because this can go way, way worse. This can go so bad. Let me bring up some nice music for you guys. Let me get some nice music. The important thing is to always cheer up and don't let yourself down because of a red day. We move on and just be neutral. Don't be upset about a loss, just be neutral. The more of today's story is, don't be upset because you lost, be upset of what you did wrong, but don't be upset because you lost. I would say if you want to be upset about something, you should be upset because you lost the account, not because you lost. How much you lost? Because you couldn't stay disciplined and you lost a little bit more than you should have. That's okay. You can still recover $280. But please keep it under control. Like, don't worry about it too much, right? When you lose, stay neutral. When you win, celebrate it. But when you lose, don't be angry or be negative, right? Just stay neutral, right? Don't mind it. That's the lesson, to not mind it. If you cannot mind it, you're doing already a great job. So right now I just close my broker. I'm gonna leave the stream up and running for a little bit longer. I'm gonna leave it on the 15-minute and 5-minute chart right here so you can see the range clearly. 1 hour chart, dog shit. Okay, let's put some music for you guys. You can say hello guys in the chat. I'll come back after 6 maybe 7 minutes, talk a little bit more with you guys and see what's happening in 6 minutes. I mean, for today's, I would say it was a pretty good day. I mean, if you used one standard contract, you would have lost a way more. You would have lost maybe even $1,000. So for a small account of 2,500, losing $288 is not that big of a deal. But yeah, it's gonna take a lot more wins to recover those. But hopefully tomorrow we can get a good day, because today is the day of account destruction. Look what we might get here. Not sure though. Absolute dog water on 15-minute chart. So, alright. So let me put some good music for you guys. Alright guys, so I'm gonna close the call, and as you can see we dumped pretty damn hard. Oh, I had my mic closed. Yeah, so right now the plan, if you're still trading, would be to just wait, because I mean, if this keeps dumping, you don't know. I mean, you need this to go straight up there pretty much. So you need this to go up there at least 760. There was no actual setup other than maybe here, maybe, but in a day like this I would just stay out. I would not be upset. You didn't miss anything out. If you didn't take this trade, trust me, you didn't miss anything out. Now you might have a setup setting in slowly, but just wait for tomorrow. Perhaps tomorrow will be a better day. Love you guys so much. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you so much for 50 subs. So yeah, pretty nice, pretty fun day. I mean, look at this, pretty neat. We need this to go all the way, maybe up here. I don't know, I'm not sure where, 65 or so. But yeah, take care guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow.